Control E in Excel. So this video I will be showing the number of types of the uses of Control E. So first, I am having this kind of a numbers where I want to encrypt some numbers between that. Between numbers should be encrypted into a star form, and I want only that 3 digits from the first and the 2 digits from the last to be recorded. So I just done right now like this: 923, 4 times 5 times star, whatever number of stars you want, and 73. So what I will do, I will just try to replicate this and command then a control E. Right now through control E I am seeing that it is taking the first 3 digits, it is taking same as this, but not the last digit. Why? Because sometimes it happens that the Excel try to see from left to right and see uh, what is the difference that is being added. Now here if I just do again 36, then you will see everything is changed. Now it will be like 952 74, 942 36, 913 48. The same now with this. If I want to add some name in front of them, and just take the last 3 digits of the given number. So through this encryption I will just try to do control E and see. I written that Dheeraj underscore 873, now it 936 074 836 048. So this is one use of the control plus E, that is the flash fill in encrypting the data. Now unconcatenate. So in unconcatenate I'm having right now this Dheeraj AM31 operation, Neeraj AM29 marketing, Poonam F626 HR, Pooja F23 baker, Yogesh AM21 and 39. Now I want to have that the name should be on the different side, then the gender, and then age, and then I need to have occupation. So in this I just wrote Dheeraj M31 operations. Now what I have to do, just here control E, control E, control E, control E. See, everything is taken out from that statement, like Neeraj M29 marketing, everything is taken out from the statement very easily. So this is used for unconcatenate. Retrieve data. Now from this data I just want to have a year. So what I have done, that Dheeraj 2019 I have written. Now just I want to have a concatenate, so control E, sorry to get the data, so control E to 2099. Next I want to add concatenate the data. Now what I want to do, like for example in this I want to have a date like this. Yeah, this is the date I want. Sorry. This is the date I want. Now what I have to do, I have to just control E, and I am getting the date in the format right now. Just here 28. Now if I write that 33 just do the control E and see, voila, the dates are properly mapped. Same in the code, like for example I want cap 3 digits first, that's and then last. I just written here the passcode, like the 3 digits and the last 2 digits of the code, then it become a passcode, the control E. So very easily you can actually check. Now done. So basically in this, like Excel will always check from the first where is the change is happening, and accordingly that change it will take. If in the last, if there is like it has to take from the another row also or another column also the data, then we have to do this two times, like the underscore 56 and need underscore 29. When I said 29 from here and the 56 from here, Excel automatically understood that it has to take three digits from here, then give underscore and the last two digits from here. Now coming to add text. Here I want to I am having name. I want to add the text that hi Dheeraj, how are you? I have written this like this. Now just Control E and here you will find that hi Neeraj, how are you? Hi Poonam, how are you? Everything is written in a simple manner. Then uh, if I have written having a number names in that like cap small capital and all, and I want to create that kind of like all capital letters should be there. Just I written one letter there and Control E like this, it will happen. Or if I want like D H double E R A J like this, then it will again take I have to write here again R J, then it will change. Now it is taking like this platform. In the first part it happened that it has taken from this part that DH is the change, it has taken like that. DH is the change, so I need to add DH at every front, and then only that after that I have to take the two digit. So the first two digits it was changing in this first case, but I don't want like that, so I run one change again, then this add bracket. Now in this I want to add a bracket, so I just write Dheeraj and team and I did. Now I just need to do Control E. It has added the bracket. I need want to the order that the surname should come first and all this. So I just write in Harry Potter, then for Potter Harry, Control E. Mo Dheeraj Poonam Bajaj Rahul Venugopal. Add space. I want to add space here, and in this you will see that it has I have written like this, and just there is some error in this part. Just okay, I will just check it out and mixed. In this I have written this, so Control E, Control E, Control E, and Control E, and you are automatically filled with the data. Here I need to check what is the error. This was a mixed type of this, and in this I need to check the error, and this can be 959 096. This is 249 and 36. Now probably it will check. Yeah, it has taken. Same 959 096 249 36. Now again, okay, done. So hope you understand the use of Control E, and see you in the next video.